Facilities in local institutions of higher learning is presenting an opportunity that investors need to tap. Student Factory CEO Chris Osore says high costs in the construction supply chain has also seen rent for such facilities going up. Osore is calling on developers to embrace technology and other cost-cutting measures to ensure steady supply of housing units.
According to the Ministry of Education, available student housing in Kenya stands at 300,000 units against a university enrollment of 520,900, excluding technical colleges. Now developers are scrambling to fill the gaping hole in the Kenyan student social residential housing market.
So we are trying to fill a gap in the social housing in Kenya, Nairobi. We've seen that there are not a lot of quality, or there's no quality in social housing, let's say student housing.
Speaking during the groundbreaking ceremony of a 4,500-bed student hostels at Catholic University, developers said that they are now deploying smart building technologies to drive down costs.
The system that we use is steel tunnel formwork, and we are using it in Europe for over 30 years. And it provides a high-quality superstructure, a concrete superstructure, and the process that it comes with it, it's very efficient, and it saves a lot of time.
This current area, as some of you might know, is surrounded by about 6 or 7 academic institutions with very little accommodation. Just around here, there's probably 500 beds as we look around here, and a total of about 10,000 students. So the students tend to have to live out in Rongai or in Langata.
The new 50 billion shillings 10 5-story student hostels in Karen is being developed through a partnership between Student Factory Africa Limited, Tracom and Red Beton, financiers Dutch EPC, Kenya Conference of Catholic Bishops KCCB and the Catholic University.
The motivation is led by the students' needs, because we have the university, but all the hostels are privately owned and managed, some by the religious sisters and some by private developers. But we were seeking for a place that is convenient, that is in terms of distance to the university. We were also seeking for a safe haven for our students, and also a conducive place for their own studies.
The development joins other large-scale student accommodation specialists such as Akon Holdings, which is developing several properties in Nairobi.
Real estate analysts have always said that there is a deficiency of student housing in the country, and not just student housing, but quality, affordable residential areas for students to live in. But going forward, perhaps there is an invitation for the private sector to come in and also help in filling the gap. Alan Auko, Channel 1 Business, Nairobi.